Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT 7T, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you can use a paperclip, extend one at the end, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, once you take off the case though, which is located at the bottom of the phone, right here. Grabbing the tool, push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards, so you can place one on each side, and thank you REALME for including retention bracket on both sides, something that Samsung doesn't do. Which means that when you clip the card in place, it doesn't want to drop it like I just did. If you flip the tray over, the card will stay in place, as you can see. So anyway, I'm gonna pop it back into the device right now. Oh, it just unclipped. There we go. So putting it back into the device, it should start working right away, and it literally immediately is working, as it's prompting me already to put in my SIM card pin. Once I do so, this will unlock the SIM card, and that's all you need to do. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.